So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding practically the string operations we did in the last video. Uh, we'll be working on them practically. So let me just work on this script.js file which is here, and I'm linking it with this script src tag, and if I run it, so you can see this is here. Now I can edit something in here and I can write my JavaScript. So basically I'll be creating a string variable. Let's say that is str. And if I have this, let's say hello world. If I want to get the length of this string, so we have the method or the property string.length that we can get. Let's say length that we can easily get with the help of str.length. And if I go to the browser and see the console now, you can see it is logged out. So this is basically the case. We can get the length of a string by using the string.length property. We can also get the part of the string in some other string variable. We have that. So let's say if I want only the hello from this string, so I can grab that or extract that easily with the help of slice variable or slice property. Basically this method, we can use this method and specify. You can see this id is also suggesting me that you have to specify a start number or start index, basically the index to the beginning of the specified portion of a string object. So we can specify I want to start it from this 0, right? So I can specify 0 index, and this is the end index or the last index. I want till hello, so 0 1 2 3 4, so I have to specify fourth index. Now if I just console log this sub str variable, so I should get hello here in the bottom. So I got hell. Let me just make it 5. So my counting was wrong, I think. So now it should be hello. You can see it is hello now. Similarly, I can grab the letters from the opposite direction as well. If you want to get the letters from the negative side, so you can count it from here, from the negative index. -1 starts from here, then -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. So if I specify -1 here, so it will grab the exclamation symbol, which is this one. And if I want the world to be extracted here, so I can specify till w. So I can count here, like let's say -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can specify that. So from -6 to end, I can also do like this. So the end index will automatically be taken here. So I can do like this. You can see I got the world here. But if I want -6 to, let's say, -3, so it will be war. Similarly, we can also use a sub str method, which is, we also have sub str and substring. So substring will not take the opposite numbers, but instead it will take just like the slice method. And if this starting index is greater than the second one or the end index, then they will swap each other. So now you can see it is taking up like this. But if I specify, let's say -6 to -3, just like I did earlier, so now you can see empty string is logged out. So the substring method doesn't allow us to use negatives indexing. That's its drawback. But in the slice, we can use that. And similarly, the other things are just like the slice method. So we won't be working on this. Let's work on the replace method. We also have sub str, this one. In this, we specify the starting index of letters or the letter. Let's say I want from H, and then I can specify a number of characters that I want after this 0th index. So I can specify 5 characters here. So it will take the 5 characters after the 0 index. So you can see it is logging out hello. If I specify 3 characters, so it will log out only 3 characters. So it can log out 3 characters only. You can see it is logging out 3 characters. Similarly, I can use a replace method to replace a word. Let's say I have a different sentence. For example, uh, Pink loves eating pink ice cream. Let's say I want this one to change. I want to change the pink word into blue. So I can change that easily. I can specify blue or sorry, pink, and then I can specify the thing I want to change or the replace value basically. So you can see the syntax, search value and the replace value. So I can specify the replace value. Let's say I want blue to be replaced from pink. So pink loves eating blue ice cream. Now you can see this blue is actually applied here instead of this pink. So this pink is replaced by this blue. But if you want to replace all the pink, then you have to use the regular expression, not this double string. So if we have, let's say, multiple pink, so I can specify G here. Also, I can specify I here if you want to replace the pink which has a different case than this. So I can specify that as well. So it will replace the pink, this one also. Now you can see this is changed now, but the earlier one is still pink because this only I will change the thing here, only the first occurrence. If you want to change all the occurrence, then you can specify G here. So it will change that. Now you can see all the pink is changed to blue. Blue loves blue eating blue ice cream. I know that sentence doesn't make any sense, but we did that to understand only. So basically I want to uh, express this that this can be a regular expression as well instead of a normal string. Then we have some other methods that I didn't tell you in the theory chapter, which are char at, and also we haven't worked with index of and last index of, that will work just now. So we have char at, we can specify, let's say we have this str variable and I want char at. So I can specify the index, and at that index, whatever the character will be there, it will be logged out or will be found to us. Let's say I want to get the index of, let's say 14. So what is the text at 14th index? So that will be I. You can see here the index, the character is logged out if I specified the indexing. Similarly, I can grab it or do this thing with the help of this square bracket. So of course you can find this in array as well, but this square bracket can also be used on this string type of variables. So if I specify 14 now, that will be giving me the same result. Now you can see it is I, still it is I. If I specify 15, so it will be N. So basically it is that. Then we also have dot index of. Here I can specify any string and then that will give me the index of that particular string. Let's say I want loves. So where is loves in the sentence? So it will give the first letter else index. So it is fifth. So it is starting from here. So it is the fifth index. So it is logging me out. We can also get the last index of pink. Let's say I want the last index of pink. So the last index of pink is 18 basically. So this is the case. So I hope I told you about all these methods we have. Also, you know how to concatenate the string that you already learned from the last video. Let's say I have str2 and if I concatenate both of them, so it is very easy. You can just simply uh, add string 1 and plus symbol. Then you can also add any other text that you want. String 1 doesn't exist, str is the variable, and then I can specify, let's say, add it. So this is basically a concatenation that we can do. If I log out this str2, let's say, so that will give us this sentence, which is this one, add it. So this is the case. So these were the things that we did in theory. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.